welcome back to Magnificent Magnolia, and today we're going to be making crunchy slime, and later this week we're going to be making butter slime, so you won't want to miss that. And please make sure you push the like button and subscribe. Okay, first I'm going to be putting glue in the bowl, there we go. And so I'm using clear glue for this. All the glue out. And almost got all the glue out of it. Okay, that's good. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is I am going to add a pinch of baking soda and mix it in. All the baking soda in. Now I'm gonna add the contact solution. Yeah, and it's not, the slime in the end, it's not going to end up clear because a bunch of air bubbles are in it. But in a few days, the slime it's going to be fully clear if it hasn't been touched. So, right, a pinch more if it's not. And after you make this one, we're going to add some beads in and some contact solution. You can't tell, it's thicker than it was before. So now I'm going to add the contact solution. See, it's starting to clump it up. And that, but it's not done yet. Still need some more. Making slime is all about measurements. If you add too much of one thing, you could end up with something really hard. So you want to make sure you add a good amount add a little until it's right. I think that I'm almost ready to start kneading it. And if you're going to add something into your slime, make sure you leave it a little bit sticky so it doesn't get hard from all the things in it. As you can see, it's still a little too sticky to be kneading with, so I'm going to add one more pinch, and I think that should be good after I add some contact solution in. Alright, and you see how it's way thicker than the glue was before? Now it's time to start kneading. It's going to be sticky at first. And if it's still too sticky, you can always add more contact solution. And if you think it's still sticky and you add a bunch of baking soda, it might not need baking soda, it might just need a little more contact solution. Like one time I made the mistake when I made slime and added a bunch of baking soda and forgot to put contact solution in. Right, now I think it's about ready to have foam beads put in it. So just grab it all out. And as you can see, it's clear. And I am going to add the glue. Yeah. I'm going to start off with a little bit. I'm going to start off with like a little handful. And I'm just going to mix it in. And I can see that that's not enough. So I'm going to pour some inside the bowl. And I'm going to roll this slime around in it. But these balls have different ideas. They want to go on a vacation. Alright, so I'm going to put it in. I'm going to take this out so it doesn't everything. I'm just going to dip it in and take it out. Mix it all up. And as you can see, it's not clear. It's just like a pearly color because of all the air bubbles. You have to get every one. And I like my slime super crunchy, so it depends on how you like your slimes. And if you don't know how you like it, you just keep adding until it feels right for you. Sorry. And add more. That should be good for me. Yes. Fun. I'm just gonna stick it there. Flip it over. That. And listen. That one wasn't a good crunch. Yeah, there we go. And so I'm just gonna pick up all of these, and that should be good for me. And then everything I want. Alright, so this is our crunchy slime. Super nice and crunchy, and the poke isn't that good. It's super stretchy, and you can see through, sort of. But, so that's our crunchy slime. I'm using a smaller bowl